Hello everyone! I'm back with another tutorial. I'm really inspired by the vampy colors of Halloween, but I'm not much of a costume person, but I like Halloween, so if you want to know how to do this, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to prime my eyes, as usual. I'm using this huge eyeshadow palette by Beauty Bay in Evolve, and here I'm using a champagne color, applying it all over my lids. And I went back and forth a lot because it was quite sheer, so just making sure that the color is there. Next, I'm using a burgundy matte shade on the outer corners and creases of my eye, just going again back and forth with a light hand. Make sure not to put too much color, and a little bit at a time will go a long way. I'm still not done. Here I am buffing out the edges so that there won't be a harsh line. Using a precision brush, I'm using the exact same shade and sort of putting that color below my eyes very gently. Here I'm using a matte chocolate brown shade just to add dimension to my eye look. I'm lining my eyes with this one as well. And again, you can see me going back and forth. I'm not using a lot of pressure. Last but not least, I'm using a gold shimmery shadow to sort of make the eye look pop, pop, pop. Gently dabbing because I find that using the fingers would actually emphasize the color way better. Here you can use any black eyeliner to line your eyes to give it a more defined touch. I swear that nobody's gonna look more stupid than I look when I do my lashes. It's just so funny. Yeah, but I've been really liking this Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline because it really gives me a lot of volume and length. Guys, this under eye concealer is so good. I've never been in such awe of an under eye concealer before. It really removed my dark circles and fine lines. So for foundation, I usually like to dab it all over my face. And here I'm using Clinique Even Better Foundation in the shade Buff. So putting lots of dots and using any beauty blender or puff to blend it all out. The last step for my face would be using the Smashbox Cali Contour palette. Here I'm using the contour shade for my cheekbones, my forehead, you know the drill, and the bottom part of my face. Because it's super duper square, I gotta add more dimension to make it more pointy. I was so surprised by this product by BLK Cosmetics. It's actually really pretty and feels very comfortable on the lips. It's the Airy Matte Tint in the shade Brick. It gives you a really nice MLBB color that's not too drying and has a velvety texture. Oops, I think I got some color outside of my lips. So right now I'm using cotton buds to sort of clean up my mess. There you have it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please feel free to let me know in the comments down below any suggestions or things that you would like me to do, makeup related of course. And stay safe this Halloween, have fun, and see see you again next time. Bye!